In this video, we'll take a walk through one of Moscow's most modern districts. Our journey will include the new Gagarin Bridge, we'll pass by the monumental structure of the recently opened National Space Center, and then we'll proceed to the bridge named after Academician Korolev. From its height, we'll enjoy breathtaking views of the city's new skyline. Novniki is a station on the Bolshaya Koltsevaya linia of the Moscow Metro, located in the Horosovo-Novniki district. It was opened on April 1, 2021, and served as the terminus of the line until its extension in December of the same year. The station features an island platform and is situated at a depth of 27 meters. Its design is inspired by the Russian avant-garde and suprematism, featuring a striking red square arch and long black and white luminous tubes on the ceiling that symbolize the speed and movement of trains. The Gagarin Bridge is a new modern bridge across the Moskva River in the Filyovsky Park area, opened in December 2024. Its name, chosen by public vote, continues the district's cosmic theme and honors the memory of the first cosmonaut, Yuri Gagarin. The bridge's design is unique. A steel frame that mimics a suspension bridge is painted bright red and resembles sails. It looks particularly impressive at night when its artistic illumination, which also serves as functional lighting, is turned on. The structure is 231 meters long and 30 meters wide, accommodating both vehicles and pedestrians. The Church of All Saints in Filyovsky Park is an active Orthodox church in Moscow's Filyovsky Park district, built in the classic Russian style with 9 domes and traditional red porches. Its construction began in 2007 based on an architectural design by Alexei Mamonov, and the building was completed and consecrated in December 2022. The stone church, which replaced the temporary wooden one, now serves as the central place of worship for the parish, featuring the main altar dedicated to all saints and a lower church in honor of Peter and Favronia of Murom. This part of Filyovsky Park was largely cut off, surrounded by the river on 3 sides, until the 2 new bridges were built over the past year.
You are watching Real Moscow channel on YouTube.
Welcome to the Philly Ice Arena, a state-of-the-art sports complex that opened its doors in the Filyovsky Park district in December 2024. The National Space Center in Moscow is a major new facility for Russia's space industry that officially opened in September 2025. This office and manufacturing complex was created to consolidate Roscosmos headquarters and numerous space industry organizations into a single location. The center is housed in a distinctive triangular tower, reaching a height of 288 meters, which was designed to resemble a rocket on a launch pad. The Academician Korolev Bridge is a road bridge over the Moskva River in Moscow, opened in September 2025. It features a unique arch suspension structure, with its 315-meter-long span hanging from a metal arch, and includes 6 traffic lanes as well as amenities for pedestrians and cyclists. The embankment in the Filyovsky Park area, near the Beregovoy residential complex, doesn't have an official name. Locals often simply call it the embankment at Beregovoy, though it's also nicknamed Moscow's Chicago or the Russian Manhattan for its modern skyline. Surprisingly, it's become a popular spot, with many people coming here specifically to photograph this new, contemporary face of Moscow. The geography of Moscow's electric river tram network is expanding. By 2030, the city plans to launch 7 regular routes, served by 60 vessels and 67 piers. Currently, the city's fleet consists of 29 boats, with new vessels set to debut in 2026 on route number 4, connecting Filyovsky and Luzhniki. By the way, this is my first time walking here. It's very unusual. On the other side of the Moskva River is the Presnensky district. You can watch the video at the link above. If there's a district in Moscow or an event you're curious about, let me know in the comments. Perhaps I'll have a chance to explore it for you someday.